Morning folks, and welcome to day 3 on the road. We have woke up bright and early to the sun rising over in the east, and I think I got a pretty good time lapse of that. And we spent our morning just tidying, getting ourselves ready for the day. We've just done ourselves some coffee and some pancakes. They were pretty fantastic. I think we're going to do that again, definitely. I'm going to Gullfoss this morning, so we'll take you along for that. And then today is a bit of an odd day because we haven't really got a strong itinerary, so we're just going to take it slow, see what we find, and see how the day goes. But I think that's what we need because the last 2 days have been pretty mental, just trying to keep up with ourselves. So we've got a bit of a breather today, take it slow, and yeah, if today's as good as yesterday, it's going to be perfect. Okay, we're off to Gullfoss now. It's only just down the road, so we'll be there in a couple of minutes. Okay, so that was Gullfoss. It was pretty incredible actually, I really enjoyed that. It was good because you could kind of go around. You can't go as far down as you can in summer because they've closed the path off.
There's like a higher and a lower viewing point though, isn't there?
Yeah, I enjoyed that. Very, very windy, and when we first got out the camper and made our way down there, it was freezing cold. So
it's meant to be windy. We haven't experienced the Icelandic wind yet, have we? But apparently tonight it's going to be quite windy, so we're going to have to batten down the hatches.
Windy now, it's blowing its door close.
Yeah.
It's icy cold.
I think it gets a lot windier than this though.
Yeah.
Here. Yeah. And then we've got some porridge on, haven't we?
Yeah, we're doing some coffee porridge, and then we're going to hit road, and then where are we going?
Skaggafoss waterfall.
The Skaggafoss.
We're going to camp there tonight, and then we're going ice climbing in the morning.
Yeah.
Currently on the road from Gullfoss, and we're heading over to another waterfall. I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce it, I'll have to show you on the map. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but this is our itinerary for today, and I would pronounce that Seljalandsfoss waterfall that we're heading to, and then we're heading to Gullfoss waterfall. So we will bring you back when we get there. Okay, so we made it to the waterfall that I showed you on the itinerary that I couldn't pronounce the name of.
What is it?
Sellands. It's on the second page. And we've got the perfect viewing point.
Seljalandsfoss. They probably don't pronounce that.
What's it called?
Seljalandsfoss.
And we're going to get some lunch.
And then go to Gullfoss.
Gonna have some lunch with that amazing view, and then get out and go and get some pickies.
Okay. One of those things you just never get tired of. Yeah, boy.
Okay, so we've just been to the waterfall we were talking about earlier, and then we read online about a secret waterfall that's not as known, about 300 metres that way. It was absolutely mind-blowing. You have to like climb down to get into a cave, and you won't be able to do it without crampons because it was so icy. You have to kind of like wade through water, and then you're in like a little cave with this waterfall just falling down on top of you, and looking up was just absolutely mind-blowing. It was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I know Brian's just getting a little time lapse of this. There's just waterfalls all along this cliff. But yeah, pretty awesome. And then we're going to head back to the van, and then I think it's about a half an hour drive to the next waterfall that we're going to stop off. I think we're going to camp there, somewhere around there tonight.
How you feeling?
Good. Don't know how I'd feel when the roads get a bit more slippy.
Yeah, we'll see how we're going.
This is a good road to try out driving on, because it's just straight, flat.
I haven't hit a patch of ice I've slid on yet. Oh, these tyres are so grippy.
Unless, if we get to Vic and we feel like we're good to go, there's a town here which is halfway between Vic and Skaftafell. And there's hot pools there,
Okay.
and a campground.
Let's just see how we get on.
What waterfall's Skaftafell? No, it's Skaftafell.
So it's fair to say that the Secret Waterfall Cave was hands down one of our favourite experiences that both myself and Emily have ever had. It was one of those situations where it was so crazy and mind-blowing in the moment, but it didn't actually sink in until later on, and we realised, wow, that was truly incredible. There are plenty more waterfalls to come, but they now become a little bit more few and far between as we go further. So look forward to day 4, where we go on the glacier hike and ice climbing, which was our top memory from the entire trip. I hope you enjoyed watching day 3. If you did, please consider liking the video, as it does help me out a great deal. But until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon.